Guys, I guess you can tell the difference. For the right side, I have a little bit different liner. For my left side, again, different liner. I'm going to be showing you numerous options and different eyeliner shapes that you can use and maybe see which option is better with your eye shape. It's going to be with a voiceover, but I'm going to show you lots of different options. Let's get started.
Today I want to use eyeshadows instead of eyeliner. It's so much easier to wipe off, and we're going to get started with a basic eyeliner. We're going to emphasize my lash line, and with a soft hand, I want to create a thin line on top of lashes. This is my option number one. Then we're going to a drop flick. Super popular technique in China or any Asian makeup look. We're going to prolong the line in the outer corner, and it's super thin, and it's really easy to make this makeup look done. Now we're going to my open wings. I will take off the outer corner and then create a little bit thicker version on top of my lash line. For my lower lid, with a black eye pencil, I want to add this over my waterline, and in the outer corner of my lower lid, I want to add a thin line, and we're going to split the wings. That's pretty much it, and try to emphasize the inner corner with the same eyeshadows. Finally, Egyptian style. That is so interesting to recreate. I'm gonna probably leave the previous eyeliner shape as we did with my open wings, but I want to erase my previous lower lid line, emphasize the entire lower lid with the same eye pencil, and add a little bit more of a line in the inner corner of my lower lid. It's kind of like a division between two of these lines. We're moving to Arabic eyeliner. It is so much pretty, and it's probably one of the most popular eyeliners that used to be in probably 2010 or maybe 2012. We're going to create a really soft eyeline in the outer corner, and probably wing, it's better to say. And for my lower lid, I want to thicken the outer corner of the lower lid a little bit more with eye pencil, and then make sure that the waterline of the inner corner is thin. Moving to soft smoky. Well, it has to be pretty smoked out. We're gonna keep this really thick on the top lash line. And for my lower lid, I wanna keep it in the third of the outer corner, pretty thick and smudged out. But in the inner corner, I'm not gonna do anything crazy, just a thin line. Double up is almost the same as a drop flick, except for a little bit more black eyeliner on top of the waterline. This is going to be extremely soft, extremely thin, and you are going to keep the inner corner of your eye bare with no color added. Going to a double mod. It's super similar to previous eyeliner, except for the fact that you need a double line on top of your crease or a little bit lower than the actual crease, depending on. And you can tell as for double wing, it has a little bit more in the outer corner, but it's a thinner option than we created for a double wing. Let's focus on the most popular. It's V-line and pin up. I don't really know which one is which because it looked similar for me, but it's a standard eyeliner that you create every single time. Big, bold, thick line on top of your lash line. Double flick is extremely easy. On top of your previous lash line, you're going to add more eyeliner, and it's going to be the split eyeline as we did right in the beginning, but this one we're going to split on top of the lash line, not with the lower lid. Let's go bold. The difference between fill-line and the rest of eyeliners is that it's a little bit thicker in between your lash line where the pupil sits, and then in the outer corner you're going to create a short but really thick wing. That is the difference between the rest. It's pretty flat. Last but not least is Miss Drama, because yeah, we're gonna end this video with drama. I'm gonna create the thickest line you can possibly get. It's probably not to the crease, but still pretty thick. And of course, we're going all over waterline with black eyeliner. You can smudge this out with some eyeshadows. It's gonna be everywhere. You're kind of dressing your eye with your eyeliner and your eyeshadows. Give it a try. I love you all guys so much, and I'm gonna see you in my next tutorial that's gonna be uploaded super soon. Love you. Till next time, bye bye.